Ano kaya ang dahilan bakit naghiwalay si IU and si Lee Jong-suk? Honestly, I was very happy when it was announced that they were first dating each other. I've always felt na at least merong match si IU when it comes to the level of net worth because it's very important talaga that before you marry, of course, you are on that level with your partner. Pero as the years went by, I felt like the relationship was a bit boring. There is hardly any details about the relationship. Like, hindi kagaya nila Hyun Bin, where marami siyang mga photos where they got out and they were shopping in LA. So si Ayu and si Lee Jong Suk was very, very immensely careful when it comes to the relationship to a point where it became extremely boring. So all I know is that they are friends first and worked with a number of projects. And si Lee Jong Suk has been admiring Ayu for a very long time. Also, there was a time when Lee Jong Suk was immensely popular and culturally relevant, lalong-lalo na sa China. But for some reason, he is not as popular as he was before. He's still sought after by brands, but of course, a lot of names have cropped up in the industry, K-drama industry. But of course, he remains one of the richest K-drama actors because of his wise investments. So, kasi magaling gumawa ng mga restaurants and nag-flip ng real estate itong si Lee Jong-suk. So, he's very wise with money. I don't know lang if it's true na before so that he can see Ayu, talagang he would rent out the entire hotel lobby or a very big or huge chunk of the hotel just so she can or he can see si Ayu. So I don't really know. To be honest, medyo naging boring yung relationship nila. They were together for 4 years but never posted each other on Instagram. But it still feels sad because they were not able to make it. For some time now, I felt like Lee Jong Suk is someone that can match Ayu and understand her. But alam mo yun, medyo weird that he never really posted Ayu, the Ayu, on his Instagram. I mean, kahit naman siguro sinasabi ng mga agency to keep it low profile or something, di ba? Maybe there could been at least more signs, but what do we know, di ba, sa kanilang relationship? So, he said so in 2022 that si Ayu has inspired him to think positively when he feels worried and after completing his military service. So, I feel siguro na may depressive personality si Lee Jong-suk and he needed someone to um, cheer him up. And during 2022, yun yung naging role ni Ayu. So, it was really sad kasi I felt that they were really good friends na realized that they had feelings for one another and it was a huge risk. So, na-risk yung friendship nila kasi hindi rin naman sila nagkatuluyan. So, after 4 years, there has been no wedding bells and not even a lot of sightings na nagde-date sila. And Ayu just became even more busier than ever until dumating na nga tong um, highly talked about drama niya, which is The Perfect Crown. So, what was really crazy is that itong chemistry niya with her leading man, si Byun Woo Seok ba? Byun Woo Seok, it's ang hirap sabihin, left fans wondering if Ayu was even in a relationship. Kasi napaka super intense tong mga scenes ng drama that it felt so real and a lot of fans really wanted it to be real. And ang dami rin nainggit to the point where they really bashed The Perfect Crown. So, it started out well, maganda yung story niya, until yun na nga, nagkaroon na nga ng mga maraming issues wherein a very good uh, K-drama became the talk of the town at biglang canceled na si Ayu for the first time, you know. So, suddenly, yung high-profile status ni Ayu was being put into question. So, ang weird, 'di ba? Ang weird and of course, there are also some speculations na baka may kinalaman nga yung relationship niya kay Lee Jong-suk with all of this. But of course, we won't know that for sure. Usap-usapan lang yon. So, I think it's just really hard for high-profile stars like them to really make it work. I think that even without a perfect crown or the issues with the drama and the co-leading actor ni Ayu sa Perfect Crown, it would still be hard actually to make a relationship work. So no wonder na naghiwalay sila. And honestly, Ayu is only 33 years old and there's still so much potential when it comes to her career. And I don't think that a woman like her would just immediately marry, considering that she has a delicate image and branding and she's worth of billions of dollars, you know. So si Lee Jong Suk's estimated net worth right now is 32 million US dollars, while si Ayu is worth more. She's around 45 million dollars, while yung new lead actor niya in The Perfect Round, si Byun Woo Seok, ba yun? Si Byun Woo Seok, I don't know how to say it. It's just a newbie in the industry with 6 million US dollars. So I know, like, I guess, ang dami-dami nagsispekulate na baka, like, si Ayu is going to fall for the younger, or not necessarily younger, like her lead actor in Perfect Round. So ang dami nagsasabi sana sila na magkatuluyan, but I guess that's a very delicate thing considering it's a Korean industry. And I don't think that Ayu should do anything rush right now. And she should just focus on restoring her tarnished name due to the drama Perfect Crown. And the rest will just fix itself. And that mahirap talaga eh. Even if you're a high profile person and even if you have a lot of money, if marriage is not something that has been planned for you, um, mas importante na lang na mag-pray and to surrender your life and decisions um, to the Lord. Ako on a Christian perspective. So, yun, hinalo ko lang. So, para naman yung chika natin, parang may konting words of wisdom. So, thank you so much. It's been a while since I created content and God bless you.